Hello and welcome everyone! Once again, the world is abuzz as another high-profile couple, Jodie Turner-Smith and Joshua Jackson, have decided to part ways after 3 months of marriage. This reminds us of the complexities and challenges in relationships. But what if there's a way to approach this scientifically? Let me introduce you to the Gale-Shapley Algorithm, a fascinating mathematical model that could offer insights into making marriages more stable. Imagine we have a spreadsheet. In the first part, 4 males named Chris, Leonardo, Ryan, and Idris have ranked for females: Scarlett, Jennifer, Emma, and Lupita. In order of preference from number 1 to number 4, for example, Chris's first choice is Scarlett, followed by Jennifer, Emma, and Lupita. We get an array like. In the second part, the same for females have ranked these males. The rankings are indicated by numbers, where 0 represents the highest preference and 3 the lowest. For example, Scarlett Johansson's top choice is the male listed in the 0th position in the males list, Chris. And her least preferred is the male in the 3rd position, Idris. We get another array like. After that, let me run the Python script to input our arrays, and the Python script will help us find the best solution for those couples. And here are the pairs the algorithm suggests as the most stable combinations. Intriguing, isn't it? For those interested in seeing how your preferences play out, leave a comment with your favorite sequence and your email. I'll send you your personalized arrangement.